Welcome back to my channel. I am back with a winner for the Pastellowen YouTube Hop. I am beyond thankful for all of the lovely comments you've left on my video and following along in the talented group of crafters that we had in this hop, and I was really blown away. And I am so lucky to be sponsored for this giveaway by Tracy, who is the owner of Scrapaholics. Thank you, Tracy, for allowing me to pick one lucky winner to be spoiled by your products. So I am going to pick a winner now. So we are going to do this little comment picker, 90 comments. And the winner is Christina's Crafty Corner. Please reach out to me. You can DM me, and leave me an email. I'll leave my information down below. And thank you to everyone who's followed along and supported us through this hop. Okay, you guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.